Welcome to our video demonstration of our meat sauce bottling line. Our bottling line starts with the filling process. The bottles smoothly move along the conveyor belt towards the filling station. The bottles are accurately filled with our high-quality meat sauce, thanks to the rotary pump with a pneumatic cutting device. Moving on to the next stage, we have the cap elevator. This mechanism ensures a continuous supply of caps to keep up with the production pace. It lifts the caps and delivers them to the cap feeding mechanism. Our cap feeding mechanism takes care of the seamless integration of caps into the bottling process. It precisely positions and releases the caps onto the bottles, ensuring a snug fit. As the bottles pass through, the dual head capping mechanism driven by servo motors carefully tightens the caps with a three-jaw design. This ensures a firm and consistent closure on every bottle. Finally, we reach the bottle accumulator, a temporary storage solution that maintains a smooth production flow.